Hello guys, in front of me is HTC U Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to use split screen on this device. So for the first we have to go here in the background applications, but as you can see there's no recent items. So we have to open few applications, and right now click again here on this button, and I will go for example for the Google Chrome, so click and drag this application here. And we can go also for the Google Play Store, but if you wanna open any other application, just click here to go back. And right now we can go, I think, for the calendar. And there it is. Now we can work with two applications on the same screen. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.